I am going to cut down this tree right here, and I'm going to cut it up. I am using my CS400 chainsaw. I just cut that one down. These are pretty old. They're maybe like a 2 weeks old, so I've been doing this project for a minute. I've just been busy getting other work done. So right now I'm trying to get this one done, and I'm gonna have to do a nice cut on it because it's gonna fall over that wall. That's what I do not want. So I might have to get some rope and pull it towards this way. But we are going to see. And I'm gonna try my hardest not to make it fall over that wall at the same time as making it fall over here. So it's gonna be a little tricky, but I'm gonna try to do it without any of this shit falling over here. I believe I can do it. Just gotta make sure I do it right.